the new students, the youth of today. Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we all gathered here for this very special unveiling, which is the grandest unveiling of 2K25. And before we unveil the cover page, we have with us the supremely gorgeous and the stunning honorable chief guest here with us. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our very dynamic gentleman, the founder and carrying the legacy forward of Magnet. Truly more than that. आपका तहे दिल से स्वागत है on behalf of Society Interiors and Design. It's a fabulous feeling to have your absolutely amazing appeal. Thank you so much. You really brightened up the entire space with your absolutely fabulously sensuous presence. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to welcome our consulting editor of Society Interiors and Design. May you please welcome Swati Balgi. Thank you so much, ma'am. We're very excited to take a look at the cover page. May we please also put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mrs. Jayashree Damankar. As relaxes in the air, towards the end of December, all we can think is togetherness, loved ones coming together and sharing the space. So thank you, जयश्री जी. एक पहली बार मैं आपकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ. आपके आने से ना सारी एक्चुअली सबके दिलों में वो एकदम रिलैक्सेशन फीलिंग आ जाती है कि अशोक जी कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. You know he's gonna be here as long as possible. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to put our hands together for the trailblazer, the very young, vivacious, who's been, of course, having a mind of her own. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, the world-renowned interior designer in our country, India, with her various projects, she debuted with a very renowned Marriott Hotel, June Hotel, with Rahejaz and Associates. And now, ladies and gentlemen, with her own entrepreneurship as an interior designer, with an experience of 2 decades, may we please welcome the cover star of Society Interiors and Design and give it up for Sonia Mota, the Soni Kuri Sonia. May we please have you here? Sonia, आपके नाम की तरह ही बिल्कुल सोनी कुड़ी तो नहीं आप, लेकिन we are very excited to have the unveiling of your project and of course the work of interior designing where we truly give that happiness, joy and that comfort. It's all about the aura, जो divine connection होता है. It's about that space that you give everyone. So let's have a countdown and go ahead for the unveiling before I reveal बहुत सारे डांस जो आपके सामने फाश होने जा रहे हैं. So I'm going to ask both of you two ladies for your lucky numbers. So Kainat ma'am, what's your lucky number? Well, I'm number 2, but I am 9. Oh, I love that. What about you, Sonia? What's your lucky number? It's 6. It's 6? Okay. So we're going to have the countdown of 9 and after 6, we go around 6. Are we down? Alright. 9, 8, 7. Hold on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling of the latest edition of Society Interiors and Design with a project by the very young and the brilliant, the genius in the interior designing world. Let's give us Sonia Mota. The unveiling by the hands of our honorable chief guest, Kainat Arora. Will you please have a few photo walks? Can we all cheer and give it up for our star actress? Ladies and gentlemen, wow, you look all the more bright. The sunshine ladies here, ladies and gentlemen, Kainat Arora. We now request Honorable Chief Guest Kainat Arora to kindly present a lovely bouquet to another star of Society Interiors and Hats. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Poddar has worked in the field of interior design for more than 2 decades, residential, commercial, institutional, hospitality and high-end interior environments. She began her career with JW Marriott Jewel Hotel with B. Raheja Associates in Mumbai and had great experience right after that. She's also been featured in industry magazines and recognition and design events, such as being mentioned amongst designers at our very own magazine, Prestigious, and utmost prestigious Society Interiors and Design. And her company is known for blending refined aesthetics with functional interiors. And Sonia is truly active in sharing her perspectives. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonia Poddar's own design studio, known as Sonia Poddar Design Studio. And her work is very well celebrated in this issue of Society Interiors and Design. So heartfelt congratulations to you, Sonia. Can I have the microphone, please? One more microphone.
Hello. Good evening, friends. Media as well as the architects and interior designers and smart facilities. Thank you so much for coming over and supporting not only Society Interiors but the entire team. It's a great moment for us. Thank you, Taina, for taking out your valuable time and coming over and unveiling the Society Interior Design Latest issue, where we get the opportunity and it's a pride to unveil interior designer Sonia Poddar's project, which is it's a dream project of us. It's a great honor for us. Friends, 2025, we started with the legendary architects, Mr. Hafiz Contractors, the first project, and we are ending with the young, dynamic interior designer Sonia Poddar. She's the first lady in 2025. Is that correct? Yes. It is the first lady. So in Society Interior and Design Magazines. And we are very, very proud of her that she has given us this opportunity. And yes, 2026 is going to be the great year, and we are looking forward many more such legends and achievers for the architect fraternity will be featured in Society Interior and Design. Thank you so much for taking over.
For architect Prashant Sutaria ji. Thank you very much. May we please have something couples lovers special. Sonia, just because you praised sir so much, आज lovers special ही लग रहा है, हाँ ना? It's so special. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, let's put hands together. Now, you see, जमशेद सर सिंह एक ही बस है एक घर में. नहीं सर, आप दोनों की अलग-अलग identity. Yes, we like to have 2 bouquets for both of you. Thank you very much. We request you to share a few words.
Unfortunately, I've lost my voice, so I will not be able to speak, but I'll get Jamshid to do the honors.
Sonia, congratulations once again. You've outdone so many architects and interior designers as far as the thought process that you put into all your projects, the care and attention that you put in, it speaks volumes of the work that is displayed in the magazine. And we are all so proud of you taking part in the Indian Institute of Interior Designers as part of the committee, and being such a great player as far as teamwork is concerned. So thank you so much for this honor, and really happy that Society Interiors puts in architects and interiors on the map, and does so much for us.
Burke ji for joining us here.
Sir.
So we presume Mrs. Burke is also present here with you in your heart for sure. Since we also have her name, on her behalf also you have to speak to us today. How does it feel being here, sir?
First of all, thank you, Society Interiors.
Huh?
Sir.
Let's have a few words from Jigar Kataria and Vidya Kataria right after this very beautiful photo op. Lady first, absolutely, sir.
It's always a pleasant time with Sonia. As far as I know her, she's the best in whatever she does. Thanks.
Wow.
Thank you, ma'am, for getting us here. I'm associated with her since the last couple of few years. I thank her for the opportunity that she's given us as a team to execute her projects, and thank you very much for the appreciation. The opportunity means a lot to us. Thank you, and we hope we keep doing great work together. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Welcoming Girish Pillai of Great White. Mr. Girish Pillai of Great White. Thank you, sir. Always for us here at Society Interiors and Design, as well as Society Achievers. Since this is our last event of 2K25, I'd like to mention both of them.
Anil, before you speak, I want to say a few words about Anil. Anil, our association with Anil goes more than, I guess, more than 1 decade. Our relationship we started with business, but that business has become converted into the family, and he's no longer now just a friend, but he's a family to us. And I'm so happy that seeing Anil over here and coming and encouraging us. That is going to be मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अनिल आज यहाँ पर आके हमारे साथ आकर he's giving all his best wishes to not only to Magnet Publishing but for Society Interior and Design Magazine too. So Anil, I would like to say a few words.
Wow.
सबसे पहले दादा थैंक्स अ मिलियन फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हो। दोस्तों, जैसे अक्सर हम देखते हैं, बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन देयर इज अ वुमन। जयश्री भाभी अगर आज यहाँ नहीं होती तो ये मैग्नेट शुरू नहीं होता। ट्रस्ट मी, वी ऑल नो व्हाट अ पब्लिकेशन हाउस इज ऑल अबाउट, बट जिस मेहनत से अशोक जी ने इसको खड़ा किया है, आई हैव गॉट rather short of words to express myself about it. The woman who stood behind him is right next to him right now. Dada, it goes without saying, the hardships you have come across, and rather creating this platform finally. Swati ji has been there throughout, Andrea for sure. This man stands like a rock. Mario, guys. Dada, think that team. There's no doubt about it. तो भैया साहब का नाम भी बोलना पड़ेगा। So the team itself is amazing. These guys have been doing a wonderful job. If Swati ji remembers the 50-page supplement, which society featured Anil Mullarkar, the Stardust supplement as well. It has been a journey for sure. और जिस मुकाम पे आज मुझे इन्होंने आगे खड़ा किया है, really दादा, thanks a million to all the efforts you put in. for creating this man called Anil Murarka where he stands today. Thank you so much. Sonia, how can I forget you, man? Great. You're wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Your kind appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, we're also very excited.
एक गुस्ताखी कर रहा हूँ जाने के पहले इन दोनों खूबसूरत औरतों को आई वुड लाइक टू फेलिसिटेट देम इट्स
Oh, beautiful. This always comes very special. Good luck. Ganpati Bappa! Well, the blessings of the divine, it's absolutely a beautiful feeling and honor. A special honor always by Dr. Anil Kashi Murarka for our distinguished dignitaries. It's been super special always.
Sir, turn.
Please stand.
Sir.
It's been always very, very special. Thank you so much, Dr. Anilji. Ladies and gentlemen, we're also very excited to have the personification of love, Prem, of Premal Shah. May we please welcome you here, as we like to felicitate Premal Shah, please.
I'm feeling totally delighted to be here tonight for Society Interiors and Design for the unveiling of the cover for my dearest Sonia. And I would like to thank Ashok Dhamankarji for keeping this entire beautiful evening, and what a grand way of ending 2025 right around the Christmas. And the only female who has been featured in 2025 as a female interior designer in 2025. It was a grand year, Ashokji, isn't it?
Yes, of course.
And ending it with a female, like interior designer on board. I myself come from an art side. Like I've said today, I have studied fashion designing, merchandising from NIFT, Fashion Technology, New Delhi Hoskas. I've been an art student myself. And interior is something which has been very, very integral part of my own life. And once I come back home, I like to design my own spaces. I wish I could have studied a little bit of more art in interior world and would have pursued something in interior line. Would have joined Ashokji in the magazine and probably would have been there on the cover. But yes, maybe in coming times, I would like to pursue something in interior world and design my own spaces and people's spaces, as it gives me immense relaxation and happiness, where you design every corner of your house, because house is a place. It's not even a place actually. When you come back home, you come back to a feeling. So home is a feeling, and when you design it in a cozy way, you see your own reflection in some part of a corner in the house. So yeah, interior is something which is very, very integral to my heart. Apart from films, movies, facing the camera, being around the media and paparazzi, all of that, and living the life which we all are living. But then this is one side of actors nobody is aware of. It's an art, so I enjoy that.
And how important are magazines like Society Interiors and Design for the
So magazines like Society Interior and Design are really, really important for everyone. For example, recently I was just hunting for a home. I shortlisted a house, but then I have that interior sense in me, but then that minute detailings, sometimes you just forget the nitty-gritty of it because you're not a pro, you're not a professional. So when you pick up a magazine like Society, you go through that entire process. So you see different type of designs, different type of moods. For example, like Sonia, what she did, it's very vintage. It's too much of a royalty in this art which she has done for Lucknow. that space she has done. I just came back from St. Petersburg. So I saw a lot of museums there, palaces there, all those moldings and all those history behind the designs and details. So you pick up ideas from all these magazines, which sometimes probably you're a pro as an artist, but you're not really attentive, you're not really aware, or sometimes you forget some points, and you pick up those points from magazines like Society Interior and Design. So these magazines are really important for everyone, not just a client. It's even important for an architect or a builder. It's important for an interior designer, for decor spaces. Everybody wants to read these magazines, and I have these magazines in my house. And tonight, what we unveiled, I'm gonna take this edition with me. Ashok ji has gifted me, so I'm gonna take it back home and pick up some ideas from Society Interiors and Design magazine. And I've been part of the magazine family since 2013. And Ashok ji have been really kind, and he's been a lucky charm, his family. And it's always an honor to come back home, unveil the magazine, be it Stardust or Society. It feels like coming back home. Thank you so much for having me on board, and thank you to the media. Thanks.
It feels great. It's a great honor to be associated and to be on the cover feature of Society Interiors and Design magazine, because they are the number one, and they have this glorious legacy of over 27 years, and Ashok ji holding the reins. It's beautiful, and when you are on the cover of Society Interiors and Design, you know that you are among the top. So I'm so thankful, Ashok ji, for covering my projects, for giving our studio this platform where we can showcase all our aesthetics, our refined design legacy that we also carry. So I'm very thankful. Yeah, and especially because this is my dream project, Hotel Celestial Manor, which is on the cover also.
So ma'am, tell us about the project that's featured over here.
Yes, Hotel Celestial Manor is in Lucknow. It's a Baroque style, Roman style hotel design. It was conceptualized by Mr. Manish Verma. He is a winner of the UP Gaurav Samman Puraskar by Yogi Ji, government of Uttar Pradesh. It is under his vision that I've created this design. So this is a hotel which has over 100 rooms, and we have started with a beautiful lobby. There is a huge banquet which is over 7,000 square feet. There are two banquets like this, totally done in marble. There is gold leafing detail, there are velvets, beautiful crystal chandeliers, and there is micro detailing and beautiful layout is planned. So this project will actually take you to a journey of how a palatial living is actually made in a city like Lucknow, which is actually the hub of the entire township, which is over there in Hazratganj. So if you want to do your celebrations, you can certainly go there. What we have tried to capture is the legacy of the Lucknowi tradition. So if you look at the fine line, even the interiors is having all the elements from the Nawabi style, Jharokha style panels are designed. There's an entire 3D panel with all the pictures, miniature pictures which are done over there. If you see the choice of woods, the choice of marble that we have made over there, everything is carrying a story around it. We are building a story around Lucknow and the legacy of Lucknow. And if you go to the pub over there, which is the bar, over there, if you see, we have created a beautiful panel in mirrors, beautiful in green color. It is reflecting light everywhere, and it opens out into a beautiful terrace. So if you come to this space, you're going to feel that you are in a historical place as well with a modern charm. So you feel, especially if you see right now, it is being flooded with all the Gen Z generation because they love to hang around in this place. Yes, it's totally vintage, royal vintage. You can say it's more of a Baroque style, which has now become my favorite.
Nice.
So nowadays people call it like a neoclassical style, complete with velvet curtains. The
Right.
upholstery is velvet, and there's a lot of gold leafing. So you keep looking at it, and you want to have it. You know, who doesn't want royalty? So originally it was not my style, but now I would say it is my style. I have fallen totally in love with this style. So this is an absolutely dream project for me. So we carried this entire theme even to the outdoors. We took it to the swimming pool also, where we've made these beautiful arches which are, you know, lit with beautiful cove lighting. And in the swimming pool also we have used a different kind of a membrane finish.
And how about your lightings
Yeah.
and all? Where did you bring the lights from?
Lights are from Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Yes, lights are from Jaguar. Some of them are imported. Also the chandeliers and all are also imported, crystal chandeliers. So it is very beautiful. So you must come and take this experience.
Definitely, I am for
If
sure
you
going.
walk through the
I go to
public
Lucknow
spaces,
a lot, so
yeah,
probably
yeah.
I'm gonna have a look for sure and give you my honest feedback.
Certainly. And if you go to this restaurant and the fine dine and the bar, the chef has planned the menu in such a way, it's a very delectable menu, I can say. And they have followed this theme of being in Lucknow. So you must be the famous Lucknowi kebabs and all that.
Oh,
So
nice.
you're going to, it's a totally, we have achieved ambience not only in terms of aesthetics and the lighting and the music, it's also the food, the drinks that you have. So this is like a wholesome experience. So when we say that our design is refined with aesthetics, functionality and timeless appeal, it is more experiential, as you can say, because we are addressing all the senses here.
Because most of the times what happens, all these celebrities, they prefer going to Udaipur, Bikaner for destination weddings. Now probably
Yes,
Lucknow's-
Lucknow should be the destination.
Lucknow should be the,
it should be the
it will
destination.
be the next destination.
It will be.
Considering this project in mind.
Yeah, and
Because
there is
people
a
want to explore new things and new
Yeah.
designs, concepts.
Yeah.
And this is something which is sounding very, very exciting.
Yeah.
So congratulations.
Thank you so much. So if you want to celebrate something here,
Definitely.
we have this lavish terrace also.
Or maybe people can
Yeah.
go there for a New Year bash.
Absolutely, there is a New Year bash
And
coming
then
up.
Valentine's is coming.
Yeah. So we're going to tag this project in all our posts. So you all can certainly look it up. And if you're traveling to Lucknow, especially for the shopping,
Yes. Why not?
this is the place to be if you're looking for some design inspiration also. Even when we made the columns, there were these huge columns in the bankway. And I was like, oh my God, how do we treat this? So we looked up a lot for design inspiration. And we actually got people to make these beautiful moldings on site. And you will not believe the entire ceiling that you see on the cover photo. It was hand painted by artisans. So craftsmanship was a very important part of this event, and I'm so thankful to all the craftsmen there in Lucknow, because each one of them was like, literally painting each flower detail in gold. There was a gold leaf applicator and everything was then put on the ceiling. So meticulous details are there to observe for anybody who is a vivid fan of interior design and detailing.
And how long it took you to finish this entire
We
project?
finished in a record time of 8 months.
8
Record
months.
time of 8 months we have delivered this project.
My God, I salute you.
Yes,
for that.
and this is totally
Which
with
is
the
very
local
quick.
team also, along with our team from Mumbai. So under the team from Mumbai guidance, this was done.
Awesome.
And we have achieved this magnificent result. So I'm so thankful that I could work on this project.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Ashokji, why did you choose Sonia's project to feature on the cover as well?
Sonia is just, she's a very, how would I say that, been in this field from more than, I guess, 20 years?
20 years.
20 years, 2 decades. And her project, which we have featured in this issue, which is, as she said that, and I also said that it's a drink project, okay, which has a tremendous story behind, and it is a really honor for us, to showcase her project, which we have did in this issue, and what more can be, the interesting part is that our friend Kainat Arora, okay, who is coming over here and unveiling the issue with Kainat and Sonia. Okay.
He has
So
the
it's
lady luck charm.
So thank you so much, okay, for such wonderful opportunity.
Yeah.
Okay, and
To many more.
Yeah.
and Merry Christmas to all your viewers.
And a very, very
and
happy
friends.
New Year.
Merry
And Happy
Christmas.
New Year.
Happy New
Yeah.
And Happy New Year and much love to all.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Happy 2026 on the way.